Manufacturing has been making some significant shifts in the last few years. Automation, robots have been more and more useful. Industry has experienced the Great Resignation, along with increased demand. This has opened the door for more factory automation. Robot technology advances every year. You are watching some examples of that from this year's Automate show in Detroit. So, as production of the products we demand is growing and expanding, robot roles are expanding too. Their uses are getting very creative. Wait, what? Is that a robot sorting chicken wings? Robots are involved with a delicious staple of our diet? Okay, so we have established that robots are everywhere, offering precisely repeatable and consistent actions. You could even say that they are efficient manufacturing partners. But what about upstream from these electromechanical marvels? Someone has to supply the high volume of parts that make up these assemblies that they're building. They need a flow of high-quality, identical component parts on time, packaged, labeled, and ready for final assembly with high confidence. Talan Products has been stamping out high volumes of metal component parts for more than 3.5 decades. The metal stamping process is well suited to economically yield identical parts with every stroke of the machine. The team at Talan Products are seasoned professionals, experts even, in metal stamping. We have been delivering consistently high-quality parts on time to industry with such precision that we still have our first 4 customers from back in the 1980s as our customers today. When you need component parts for your products, call us at Talan Products. Give us a call today and let's discuss how we can be your best value manufacturing partner. We could even meet you in person for a discussion while enjoying some delicious chicken wings.